Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to edit the theme header and footer in HubSpot's CMS. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Once the page loads, log in using your HubSpot account credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of your website content and tools. After you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Content. This will expand a submenu with several options. Now click on Website Pages. This section shows you all the pages currently published or in draft on your HubSpot site, making it easy to manage and edit them. Now you'll see a list of your website pages. Select the page where you want to edit the header or footer and click on it to open the page editor. This is where you'll have access to all the editable sections of your chosen page. Once the page editor loads, look at the top of the page and click on the header section. After clicking it, you'll see an option that says Open in Global Content Editor. Click on that. This opens the header in a separate editing mode where any changes you make will apply across all pages that use this global header. So it's a powerful way to keep your site consistent. Now that you're in the Global Content Editor, you can start customizing the header. On the left side of the screen, click the plus icon. This opens a panel where you can drag and drop different elements into your header. You'll see options like accordion, anchor, blog listing, button, and many more. Just drag the element you want into the header area to add it. If you want to edit the overall style and settings of the header, simply click on the header section itself. This will open up a properties panel on the left side where you can make various adjustments. You'll see a toggle button labeled Use Brand Kit Logo. You can turn this on to automatically use the logo from your brand kit or turn it off if you want to upload a custom logo. Right below that, there's another toggle for Override Logo Link, which lets you control where the logo directs users when clicked. Further down, you'll see a drop-down menu under the menu section. Click on this drop-down to choose which navigation menu you want to display in your header. This is useful if you have multiple menus set up for different parts of your site. You can also toggle the Show Button option on or off depending on whether you want a call to action button in your header. If you turn it on, you can edit the button text to say whatever you'd like, such as contact us or get started. Then you can add a link by entering a URL so the button directs visitors to a specific page. After setting up the content, click on the Style tab. This is where you can really customize the look of your header. You can adjust the text color, hover effects, accent color, background color, and more. Take your time here to match your brand's visual identity and make sure everything looks polished. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, look to the upper right corner and click Publish. Then click Publish and return to Page Editor. This saves your header changes and applies them globally across your site. Now let's move on to the footer. Scroll down to the bottom of your page and click on the footer section. Just like with the header, click Open in Global Content Editor. This will open the footer in the same editing mode. Click on the footer section again to bring up its properties. Here you'll see a visibility option where you can choose to show or hide that entire section if needed. You can also adjust the alignment and spacing by choosing whether the content should be centered or full width. This helps control how the footer looks on different screen sizes. Next, adjust the padding and margin sliders to control the space around and inside the footer. This gives you precise control over how much breathing room the footer content has. Then click on the Background tab. Here you can choose a background type, whether it's a solid color, gradient, or image. Input your desired background color to match your site's theme. Once you're done editing the footer, click Publish on the upper right corner to save and apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully edited both the header and footer in HubSpot's CMS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.